What's up, everybody? Today we're going to take a tour of our Salem Grand Villa 42 view.
The first thing you're going to see when you walk in is this beautiful spiral staircase they have. The staircase leads up to this first loft, yes there is two, with 3 beds for your little ones.
Then coming down from the spiral staircase, you will see exactly why this unit is called the Grand Villa 42 view. It has these big windows that also have automatic roller shades. Check it out. Now moving over to the kitchen area, you can see it has this waterfall countertop along with this residential aesthetically pleasing faucet. Now coming on over to the rest of the countertop, you can see it has amazing space, whether you need to chop up some food for some dinner, even just a fun night with your friends. Coming around the counter, you can see this full-size length pantry with automatic light. And check out this little exciting thing we got going on. Soft close.
Moving on from the kitchen, we're going to take a look at one of my favorite features. Have you ever heard of the televator? So with the press of a button, you can raise your TV right up out of the countertop. How cool is that? Moving into the living room space, you can notice this L-shaped couch. It's got plenty of seating for your friends, family, or whoever you're bringing with you to the campground. And there's also tons of storage here in this center ottoman. In case you're worried about extra sleeping space, this also does convert into a bed. Another great cozy feature here in the living room is this 5100 BTU electric fireplace.
So coming out of the living room, you can see another set of stairs that leads you to another loft with 2 beds. So as you can see, this bathroom is so spacious and comes with so many different luxury amenities. See this black sleek faucet, the upgraded porcelain toilet, and sleek shower head, coming with 3 different jets and also a detachable shower head as well. And then lastly, in the bathroom, you can see that there is this spacious closet space that can also be used for your washer and dryer. Up at the top, you have amazing space for your detergent and all other laundry needs.
So now heading back to the front of the unit, we're going to take a step into the bedroom. One step down leads you into this beautiful bedroom space with, again, lots of windows. Obviously, it's the 42 view. This bed is a king size. You got plenty of sleeping space for anybody with any height. One feature that you're not going to see in most, if any, other park models is a second fireplace located here in the front of the bedroom. You got plenty of room to hang or fold whatever you might bring with you to the campground.
Have it, our Salem Grand Villa 42 view. If this is something you might be interested in, we actually have a sale going on right now that can get you $2,000 more towards your trade value. So check us out at avalonrvcenter.com and get your Salem Grand Villa today.